Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove door panel clips on Mazda, Toyota, Suzuki, Subaru, Mitsubishi in just a few seconds. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. After you remove the door panel, there are some clips that are stuck on the door. So to remove it, you have to use a strong string. So there it is. It has to be a very strong string. So insert the string between the clip and door. You can use a sharp tool to help you insert the string behind the clip, because it's hard to do this without something to help you. After you insert the string, take the string around the clip and then pull the string, and then pull the string and take the clip out from the door. So that's it. So this is the clip. So the idea is to put the string around the clip and then pull the string on both sides and take the clip out. We will try for another clip. So squeeze and pull the clip out. You can find new door panel clips in the video description below. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.